Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning how you can archive chats in Telegram X. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like, subscribe and turn on your notification bells. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open the Telegram X app on your mobile. Now long press on the chat that you would like to archive. Without removing your finger, drag it down to the three-dotted icon where it reads more, or you can simply drag it to the archive option that appears between mark is unread and the delete option. If you go to the more option, it will show you options of either pin the chat, mute the chat, delete the chat, or you have the three-dotted icon, you tap on it. Then you have archive option, tap on it. Confirm that you want to archive chat, then your chat will be moved to archive chats. You can view it by tapping on the archive chats that appears on your chat section. As you can see, my chat has been archived, and that's how you archive a chat in Telegram X. I hope this video was helpful. Let us know in the comments down below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.